Next section, psychology of adult. A young adult is generally a person in the age range of 18 to 39 or 40. Although definitions and opinions such as Erik Erikson's stages of human development vary. The young adult stage in human development precedes middle adulthood. A person in the middle adulthood stage, age from 40 or 41 to 64. In old age, a person is 65 years old or older. Who is adult? A person who is fully grown or developed. Can you define adult? Adult is a human being or other organism that is of reproductive age, sexual maturity. Can you define adult psychology? Adult psychology refers to, it is the scientific study of how adults develop throughout feelings and behaviors are influenced by others. Theories of adult psychological development. 1. Daniel Livingston theory. 2. Lawrence Holberg's stage of moral development. 3. Erik Erikson's theory. What is adult? A detail going on. First, Daniel Livingston theory. First, early adult tension, age 16 to 24. 2. Forming a life structure, ages 24 to 28. 3. Settling down, age 29 to 34. 4. Becoming one's own man, age 35 to 40. 5. Midlife transition, early 40s. 6. Restabilization into late adulthood, age 45 and on. Second, Lawrence Holberg's stages of moral development. Stage 1, obedience or punishment orientation. Stage 2, self-interest orientation. Stage 3, social conformity orientation. Stage 4, law and order orientation. Stage 5, social contrast orientation. Stage 6, universal ethics orientation. 3. Erik Erikson's theory. Stage 1, trust versus mistrust. Stage 2, autonomy versus shame and debate. Stage 3, initiative versus guilt. Stage 4, industry versus inferiority. Stage 5, identity versus role confusion. Stage 6, intimacy versus isolation. Stage 7, generativity versus stagnation. Stage 8, integrity versus despair. Goals, developmental stages of adult. Stage 1, age 16 to 18, desire to escape. Stage 2, age 18 to 22, leave family, establish peer group relationship. Stage 3, age 22 to 28, develop independency. Stage 4, age 28 to 34, transitional questions of life, goal and marriage. Stage 5, age 35 to 43, urgent awareness. Stage 6, age 43 to 53, acceptance of life. Stage 7, age 53 to 60, acceptance of past. Types of adulthood. 1. The young in early adulthood, age 22 to 40. 2. The middle adulthood, age 40 to 65. Detail going on. First, psychology of the young in early adulthood, age 22 to 40. Job and career, relationship and marriage, size of family and education of children, role of status. Second, psychology of people and middle adulthood, age 40 to 65. Creativity versus stagnation, demonstration of rise or fall in the career, increase responsibility to children and elderly, parents, cessation of menstruation in women, gradual decline of the sex hormone in men. Mental health problem for adults, anxiety disorder, schizophrenia, personality disorder, bipolar disorder. Psychological support to adult, provide opportunity for job, career development, premarital counseling and guidance for better marriages, promote status in community. Opportunity for creativity to make acceptance and responsibility, educate to modify healthier lifestyle. Role of nursing to fulfill adult psychological needs. Nurses doing vital role to fulfill adult psychological needs by means of various nursing services, including medical surgical nursing services, mental health nursing services, community health nursing services, etc. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.